Hey guys, so today, well, first of all, welcome back, and today we are going to connect these spotlights up and get some power going. We're going to use a little switch like so. Can you see that? This is a little rocker switch I got off Amazon. You get a pack of 5 for not very much, £5. 3 points on the back, 2 positive, 1 negative. And yeah, we'll get these lights wired up, get them connected to the switch, then into the fuse box, and hopefully we'll get some light in here. So first things first, on each light I've connected one of these little connectors on, and so there's 2 like so, and then we'll do a cable positive to positive, negative to negative. I've already pre-cut these cables. You make them as long as you need, depending on how spaced out you're going to have your lights. I've just cut these short just for demonstrating this this setup just now. So yeah, we'll get these connected up and then I'll show you the next step. Here, we'll actually have another cable running out of here. So you've got the positive and the negative going in, but then you want a positive and a negative going out. Let me get rid of all this mess. So this negative to negative, positive, positive, negative coming out of here with, that's the wrong one, this one here, this one here. This negative goes into the switch, and this positive goes into the switch. Okay, so we've got our positive and our negative. These both go into the switch. Now I'm not going to crimp these terminals down because this for me isn't permanent. Like I said, I'm just showing you guys how you connect them up. So we'll do 2 positives and 1 negative. Negative through there, positive through there, and then we need a negative to run from the switch to the fuse box, which is this one. I've already put connectors for going onto the fuse box on the end of this one, like so. That's a bit close, there we go. So that will go into there, and then positive from the middle one. This will also illuminate the switch when it's on, and that's pretty much it, guys. You know, all the wiring done. Obviously if you're going to do 3 lights or 6 lights, then you're going to need to do this 3 or 6 times. So now if we connect the positive to the fuse box, oh, let me just turn this round, 5 amp fuse, these lights that I'm using, these are 700 milliamps each, so I've only got 2, but I do plan on doing 3, so that'll be 2.1 amps altogether. So a 5 amp fuse, maybe even a 3 amp fuse would have been fine, but I've not got any 3 amps, so we'll just stick with the 5 amp. So positive in, and then negative in. And if we've done this right, let's bring down here. Two lights, one switch, and boom, there we go, it works. Happy days. Okay guys, well, thanks for watching. I'll put another video on the screen here that you can watch. You know, if you got anything out of this video today, it'd be great to get a wee thumbs up, maybe even a wee subscribe to the channel. Next video I'll be putting in these fuses. This is something that should have been done back at the start of the solar build, but these fuses took a couple of weeks to arrive, so yeah, we'll get these put in, one going from the solar panel to the charge controller and one going from the battery to the charge controller. I also need to get one to go from the battery to the fuse box, and that'll be done over the next week or so. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.